Sziasztok! Hi everyone, I'm Sándor, welcome to another Hungarian lesson. Let's see how to say, my body part hurts. So today we're going to take a look at body parts in Hungarian and a little bit of the possessive form in first person singular. Let's do it! First of all, today's verb comes from the infinitive fájni. Fájni. It means to hurt. Not as in to hurt someone, we use this verb when something hurts. You can also translate this as to ache. Most of the time we only conjugate this verb in third person singular and plural, although in slang you can also conjugate it according to the remaining pronouns as well, mostly in first person singular. But today let's stick to the official and correct way, so our verbs today will either be fáj, which means to hurt, or fájnak, meaning they hurt. Now a little bit about how the possessive works in Hungarian. It's actually very different than English, for example. We attach the possessive suffixes to the things that we possess, and we use the definite articles before the things that we possess. The possessive suffix in first person singular is an M if the word ends in a vowel. If the word ends in a consonant, then this M gets connecting sounds. So it's either M, or according to the rules of vowel harmony. Here's a video about that. Now, if you want to say my body part hurts, then the pattern looks like this. Fáj plus a or az, which are the definite articles, plus body part plus possessive suffix. Let's put this into practice. Fáj a fejem. Fáj a fejem. Literally, my head hurts, but this is how we say I have a headache. Fej means head, and it gets the M possessive suffix. Fáj a szemem. Fáj a szemem. My eye hurts. Szem means eye. You only use this when only one of your eyes hurt, okay? This is the singular form. Fáj a fülem. Fáj a fülem. My ear hurts. Fül means ear. Again, say this only when one of your ears hurt. Fáj az orrom. Fáj az orrom. My nose hurts. Orr means nose. Fáj az arcom. Fáj az arcom. My face hurts. Arc means face. Fáj a fogam. Fáj a fogam. Literally, my tooth hurts, but this is how we say I have a toothache. Fog means tooth. As a noun, because this is also a verb, and an adverb when it comes to the future tense. Fáj a nyakam. Fáj a nyakam. My neck hurts. Nyak means neck. Fáj a vállam. Fáj a vállam. My shoulder hurts. Váll means shoulder. Even though it's written with a double L, it's pronounced as a single L. Váll. Fáj a karom. Fáj a karom. My arm hurts. Kar means arm. Again, use this only when one of your arms hurt. Fáj a könyököm. Fáj a könyököm. My elbow hurts. Könyök means elbow. Fáj a csuklóm. Fáj a csuklóm. My wrist hurts. Csukló means wrist. Fáj a kezem. Fáj a kezem. My hand hurts. Kéz means hand, and when it gets conjugated, the A sound changes to an E no matter the suffix. Fáj a szívem. Fáj a szívem. My heart aches. Szív means heart as a noun, and when you just say this word, you say it as you write it with a long E sound. But when you conjugate it, even though you still write it with a long E, you pronounce it with a short E. Szívem. Fáj a hátam. Fáj a hátam. My back hurts. Hát means back as a noun. Fáj a derekam. Fáj a derekam. My waist hurts. Derék as a noun means waist, and when it gets conjugated, the A sound once again changes to an E. Also, this one breaks the rules of vowel harmony because even though this is a front vowel word, it gets a back vowel suffix. Fáj a fenekem. Fáj a fenekem. My bottom hurts. Let's say that. So fenék is your bottom or booty or buttocks. Or if you're talking about the bottom of the ocean, that's also fenék. This is a very innocent way of referring to one's buttocks. But if you want to say, my ass hurts, then it's fáj a seggem. Fáj a seggem. Segg means ass. If you're a guy and you say this, well, I don't want to know the reason. Fáj a lábam. Fáj a lábam. My leg hurts or my foot hurts. Láb for us both means leg or foot. Fáj a térdem. Fáj a térdem. My knee hurts. Térd means knee. Now, of course, there are instances when both of your eyes hurt, both of your arms hurt, and so on. In that case, we use the third person plural form of our verb and the plural possessive form. Let's see a couple of examples. Fájnak a szemeim. Fájnak a szemeim. My eyes hurt. Fájnak a füleim. Fájnak a füleim. My ears hurt. Fájnak a karjaim. Fájnak a karjaim. My arms hurt. Fájnak a kezeim. Fájnak a kezeim. My hands hurt. Fájnak a lábaim. Fájnak a lábaim. My legs hurt or my feet hurt. Fájnak a térdeim. Fájnak a térdeim. My knees hurt. Alright, that's more than enough for today, I think. I hope this video was useful, and I hope that all of you are pain-free. Thank you for studying with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And if you feel like supporting the channel even more, my PayPal information is in the description. See you in the next lesson. Sziasztok! A viszontlátásra!